Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play harmonica in Roblox. You might be surprised to learn there are two primary ways to experience this instrument within the platform. We will cover the well-known transient harmonica accessory, which has a unique function. Additionally, we'll explore how certain Roblox games offer interactive opportunities to play the harmonica, allowing for a more musical experience. The transient harmonica is a unique and popular accessory in Roblox. It's a limited neck item that, once equipped, automatically plays a distinct harmonica sound. This sound is quite noticeable and can be heard across game maps, making it a fun way to interact or even playfully troll other players. As a limited item, it holds significant value, often trading for hundreds of thousands of Robux. Beyond the accessory, some Roblox experiences allow for interactive harmonica playing. These games often feature specific in-game items that you can equip and then use to play notes or even full songs. For instance, the game Grow a Garden includes tutorials on how to play tunes using its in-game harmonica. Always check the game's specific instructions or user interface to understand the controls and how to activate the instrument. To find more harmonica fun, start by searching the Roblox catalog for accessories like the transient harmonica. For interactive play, explore games tagged with music, instruments, or roleplay, as these often feature playable items. Don't hesitate to ask fellow players or check game descriptions for details. Whether through a unique accessory or an interactive game, harmonicas offer a charming addition to your Roblox adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.